Hi, Brian Backlund at MarineMax Clearwater. Today we have a quick video walkthrough of the 2019 Sea Ray 21 SPX Outboard. Great sport boat for your daytime adventures with the family. As you can see, this boat has the white hull sides with the ivory colored interior, which has the chocolate accents. Very nice sun coverage with the bimini top. So we'll step on aboard and take a look. Moving around to the stern, we'll see it's powered by a 150 horse Mercury 4-stroke outboard. We have a telescoping boarding ladder. Very nice access on the swim platform. Water sports tow post. 12-volt charger in the back. Very nice pass-through with door. Storage under the second hatch. One nice feature we'll see on the 21 SPX outboard is the backrest for the rear sun lounger. Tons of storage underneath, but you can simply fold that down for your full sun pad. Very nice L-shaped seating. We have an igloo cooler on the starboard side and a traditional cooler under the stern seat. Very nice pass through into the cockpit, which minimizes the impact on the seating. And we'll move forward to see both captain's chairs for the passenger and the captain. Very nicely appointed dash, full array of analog gauges, fusion stereo and speakers, all marine grade. We do have a depth finder. Moving over to the port side, we do have easy access storage on the dash, as well as under the dash as well. And moving forward, a very nicely laid out bow seating area for forward or rear facing seating for your passengers. If you'd like more information about this boat or any others, please feel free to give us a call. Again, this is Brian Backlund at MarineMax Clearwater. Be reached at 813-503-2649, so give us a call. Come on down and see our in-stock inventory in our indoor showroom, or set up a demo and get on the water today.